If your add to cart button is also not showing on your Amazon FBA listing, then this video is just for you. Because I have heard this common issue with many of the Amazon seller, like their listing is completed, their inventory is already arrived at Amazon FBA warehouse, but still people are not able to find their listing on Amazon searches, and if they find, so they are not able to see the add to cart button, hence they are not able to buy. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 common ways due to which your add to cart button is not showing, and not only that, I'll also show you how to fix that. So if that is the case with you, then keep watching this video till the end, step by step, because it will be super helpful for you. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you're having too many information in your mind, and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened Amazon website. So on the website, if I search for any product, like in this case I search a cat litter box, so if I scroll down, so I can see multiple listings here which are selling cat litter box. And if I just zoom in, so I can just see the add to cart button on each of these listings, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. And if I open any of the listing just like that, so on the right side, I can see this button as well, like add to cart, buy now, and if I want to change the quantity, I can just change to more than one. Like for example, if I want to buy 3, so I can just click on 3 and I can just add to cart right now or buy it right now. And you can see that the status of this product is showing in stock. But for example, if on your listing, this is not showing, so there can be multiple reasons. The number one common reason is on the top left corner, you can see this delivered to address. So basically, if you're using Amazon in USA or Canada or UK or any other country, and on that location your correct postal code of your city is not put it, so you might not be able to see this add to cart button. Because if you're using Amazon from Canada and you are present on Amazon.com, so you might not be able to see the add to cart button because that particular product is present at Amazon FBA warehouse USA and they can deliver it to your location or any other country. So now the reason number 2. So to check that reason, you have to go on your Amazon FBA Seller Central, and from here on the left side, click on the manage inventory. So from this page, you can see this is the product, and on the left side, I can see that the listing status is active. So first of all, you have to check this status. If that status is not active and this is closed, so in that case, your listing will not be ready to purchase and you cannot see the add to cart button. So if your listing will be closed, so you have to go on the right side on the same page, click on these 3 dots, and from there you can see some options like close or delete listing. So you can see that if I click on this close listing, so that listing will be closed. And if your listing is already closed, so from the same button, you can just make that listing active again, right? So that was the reason number 2. And the reason number 3 is you have to go back on that part again, and you can see there the listing is showing active now. So if on that place, if your listing is not active but search suppressed, so that means there is some information on your listing which is missing. So if you go on the right side, click on these 3 dots and click on the edit listing, so your edit page will be open. And from this edit page, you can see these tabs like product details, images, variation, offer, and safety and compliance. So if you will be able to see any red mark here, so that means there is some field empty on that particular page. So you have to click on that tab and fill out that information which is showing empty. And once you fill out that and click on save and continue, so after 15 minutes, if you go back and check there, so your listing will be converted from search suppressed to active, and then you will be able to see your add to cart button on your listing, right? So now in this case, as you can see here, the listing is active and my postal code is correct. So if I open my listing here, then on the right side, I will be able to see this add to cart button. You can see that it's in stock, asking me to deliver to this address, this postal code, and I can select the quantity, and then I can click on any of the button like add to cart or buy now. So if you're facing the same problem and this button is not available on your listing, so try out checking these 3 points which I have just mentioned in this video, and then let me know in the comment box below, like if by following this method your issue is resolved or not. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.